Hey everybody, and welcome back to Coffee with the Moms. Hope you're having a great day today. So today I'm going to be making a creamy Parmesan one-pot chicken and rice. And this is from Pinterest, and it is from the saltymarshmallow.com. I will link them below. And what you're going to need is a very big kind of oversized skillet or any type of pan that's a little bit deeper. You're going to need 1.5 pounds of chicken breast cut into 1-inch pieces. I used my food scale to just make sure I weighed that out properly. And honestly, I do have more than that, and it came out just fine. I did use a little bit more chicken. I didn't want to waste just a little bit of chicken, so I threw the rest in there. You'll also need 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 large diced onion, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2.5 cups of chicken broth, and 1 cup of long grain white rice. And here you see I do have the instant brown rice, and that worked out just fine. And also you will need a half a cup of heavy cream, a half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and parsley, which is optional. There's not a specific amount, and you would just sprinkle that on top at the end when it is all said and done. Okay, so first you're gonna melt that butter in the pan, the 4 tablespoons of butter. And then once that is all melted, you will throw in your onions and let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, it said, or until they start to soften up. Then after those are softened up a little bit, you're going to add in all of your chicken. And I just kind of moved it around so it would start to evenly cook, so it wasn't just in one big clump. And then you will add in your 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, your half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I will be completely honest, I did not measure these out. I just added in the salt and pepper and the Italian seasoning as to what I thought it needed. You can definitely go by the recipe, or you can do what I did and just add in whatever you think is necessary. Then once those are all cooked, it says to let them cook until they're brown. It says 5 minutes. Mine took a little bit longer than that. So then what you're going to do is you're going to add in your garlic, and you're going to stir that consistently for a minute, because it will burn if you don't keep it moving like that. And then you will add in your 2.5 cups of chicken broth, and then your 1 cup of your rice. And in here, it does say that if you use the instant rice, it will shorten the time. But really, once you put the top on and bring that to a boil, then you kind of turn the heat down and let it simmer. But I found it actually took about 25 minutes. Then you will add in your half a cup of heavy cream, and you will also add in your cheese. Now, it's said to stir in and serve right away. I actually put the cover back on and just let it thicken up a little bit more, and that worked out great. It didn't dry out. There was nothing wrong with it. It was still very nice and creamy. That is just what I did. You can completely just go by the book, but that's fine too. And this is the finished product, and it is so yummy. And I did put the parsley on top of there. This is so yummy. My son loved it. I love it. I always have 2 helpings of this stuff. But it's great. You're only using 1 pan. I love these kind of recipes where it's something that takes maybe a good half hour to 45 minutes to complete. But it's a nice weekend dinner, or something that you can do that's easy on a weekday that doesn't take an hour or so to make. But I thought this was a great thing to share with you guys, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, I hope that you would like and subscribe to us, because we do tons of videos like this. We have a ton of different things that we do. And again, I've said it a million times, we both have so much fun making these videos for you guys. We love interacting with you in the comments. So if you have any recipes that you guys love, let us know, because I love trying new dinners, and so does my family. So again, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Enjoy.